Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm not drawing the words in my hand right now. Like, who knows what's in my hand right now? Okay. So, yeah. My name is Mohammed Bhavna and I'm 8 years old. I'm studying in Hashwich School. And now I'm going to tell you about a lot about Rubik's Cube and how it inspires me. So the Rubik's Cube made from Erna Rubik, Professor Erna Rubik from Hungary. He made it for his kids. He's now, it's kind of kids because they are almost 13. So he made it for a project of geometry. The Rubik's Cube was invented by Professor Erna Rubik, and it's a puzzle that has 6 colored faces, each divided into 9 squares. And the Rubik's Cube, the goal of it is to twist the faces and make it to one single color. So the benefits are unexplainable. There's a lot of benefits right there. So the Rubik's Cube, I'll tell you a couple of benefits. So the Rubik's Cube, if you solve it, you can notice that we are learning patience, practice, persistence, and also concentration, problem-solving skills. So I'll tell you an example for the problem-solving skills right there. So we're driving one car. So we're driving a car, okay? So we're driving the car, and it's at here it's splitting the road right here. So we are at the phone searching emails because there is a serious network issue going on. So or something to your job or something. And at the last minute we will look at the outside and we will notice that we are going to crash. So at that time, this is a problem, okay? So this is the problem. We are going to crash, that's a problem. And the problem solving skill is that we turn right angles, right? So that's the problem solving skill. So like that, there's a lot of problem solving skills and a lot of and how Rubik's Cube inspires me. So in the early days of my cubing was in 2022. And the cubing was kind of fun for me and also so interesting, and it became a hobby to me. So and there's a lot of things, but I was attached to Rubik's Cube. And my sister learned it, and she teach me, and I was so happy. And I look at and I was looking forward to set a goal. So I learned the Rubik's Cube, but I didn't stop there because I want to set a goal. So I set a goal every day, every single morning. I do at least between 50 to 20 songs. So that time I improved my things and Rubik's Cube and all. So one day I was practice. This practice and success comes right there. So at the first practice time, we will be kind of failed, but at the second we will be failed. We need to don't give up. Just when we give up at the second we are going to win. It's the time like that. So don't give up any time. And then after some time I got of Record breaking song, and I got an Indian Book of Record like that. So that's like this is not that only Rubik's Cube. It can compare to our. It can also be in our job. It can be in our job interviews. It can be in our every